Back to my channel. Today we are doing a part 3 of a stormy night. And also I am here with Jojo again, and this is my friend, and let's continue this video. She said hi at you guys. You can see right here in chat. She said hi. Okay, also we'll be typing okay, let's go, okay, and it means yeah, I'm finished reading. Yes, I will be reading for her. Yes, she was reading with me, but for now I'm going to be reading it. It ain't like this. Okay, let's start. So we're going to be starting off with this. Yes, and yes, I will be zooming in like this. Okay, let's see. Josh and Sevilla, you two are way too gonna know about this. It's them. This part is. She said this is part 3. Yes, this is part 3. Yeah, I'm uploading part 2 right now because I just finished that video and I ended it because it ended at 15, and I'm gonna be uploading that video right after this video. And the next time we'll be doing an I See You story. So go ahead and check out the babysitter. She's Not Alone. Mary in the Mirror, and others. Let me say in the chat so she knows what I'm talking about. I'm gonna say make sure you check the other videos I made. Make sure you go check out the other videos I made. Next one I'll be doing see you. The next one I will be doing I See You. You check out the others before this one. Check out the others before this one. What does your profile look like? It's green. It's green. It's green. Anyways, I'm going to start I'm going to start reading. Josh and Sevilla, you two are way too young to know about them. The man said, "Oh," Gloria replied, "well, we just ate at their diner." They were so nice. Respond, "That's impossible. They died over 25 years ago. If the diner burned down and in it, if the man finished." Okay, I'm gonna say. Next. She's coming. She just has to do something. I'll meet her in the next one. Guys, she's just doing something right now. Okay. Gorga and Nick in shock. Anyways, you must be talking about some other diner. Nick paid the man and went and back inside. The two of them got into the car and sat there in a total silence for a good 5 minutes. Okay. Then. Okay. Next. She's coming. Is she coming? She's coming. She's like that. No way. It's all gone. We got it wrong. Nick said it quietly. We're going back, aren't we? Gorga asked. I think we need you to, honey. Unless you want to live as with thinking we're both crazy, Easy Nick said, and half joking. Let's do it, Gorga replied. They headed back. Then. Come on, girl. Nick and Gorga drove all the way back to the diner. They pulled into the parking lot, and they pulled into the parking lot and parked right there. There was only signs. A few minutes before they stepped out the car, or walked over to the building. Wow. Okay. Well, what is happening? I don't know what's happening, but there's something going on. Indeed, the diner burned down onto the ground a very long time ago. There was only where they had ate, and there was standing one, and they had eaten at, and there all the food remained of the table was there, the food and bill and money they had left for Sevilla and Josh. Okay. Wow, that is just that is. I want to say it, but I can't tell it. I can't tell it. Subscribe, comment, and like and share. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the heck? Oh my god, what the heck? Get me out of this theater. Come on, let's get out of the theater. Go wee. Okay, that it was the end. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Okay, guys, that was the end, and I hope that was the end. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.